So it's in the interest of Afghans,
Yes.
Afghanistan, and their own respective countries to have peace in Afghanistan, to stop this ongoing struggle between different factions. Because at the end there will be no winners. There can be no winners.
Yes.
Even if there's a winner, nobody can stay in power long enough. So they will try to promote peace among themselves, these countries, probably the surrounding ones, and encourage the different factions to come to an understanding, to make the necessary sacrifices, to come to an agreement. That was it. I took a lot of shuttling.
I see. So, sir, how you choose that 15% for the interim
I
administration?
think they were supposed to pick it up themselves. They were supposed to pick it up. All these Afghans themselves were going to pick it up, not me. That's why we waited for them. And then, Karzai said, how about Mujahideen? I said, no problem, because Najib said, there's no problem. They couldn't agree among themselves. This is the problem. They couldn't agree.
Understood.
So there's no way they can blame others. They had a choice.
Understood.
There was no way they could use Najibullah anymore as an excuse, because Najibullah said it's leaving. They were
Understood.
not prepared to compromise each other.
I'll say another question, sir. Dr. Najibullah, with your suggestion, with United Nations suggestion, want to leave Afghanistan? Or they decided himself?
He knew that once there's an agreement, it would be the best for him not to be there. He did not want to be used as an excuse for any failures. So he wanted to leave. So I arranged with India. Everything was all good. So, I never forced him for anything.
So I heard there is this was part of the peace plan to Najibullah should leave Afghanistan and should resign. Otherwise, the warlord, the Tanzim leaders in Peshawar, they several times say, still Najibullah is power, there will be no peace.
No, that's why I decided to announce that it's prepared to leave, so there can be no excuse for no peace and using him as an excuse.
Understood.
He wanted to remove himself so that there's no excuse for them not to have peace. He says prepared to sacrifice his own personal life for the sake of the Afghan. So,
What is your opinion about Dr. Najibullah?
I respected him because he was serious and he wanted to bring peace. And when people were using him as an excuse for no peace, he was prepared to resign. So that there will be no excuse that he's the one standing against peace. And then he proved it himself.
Yes.
And he paid the price for it. The rest were, most of them were playing the role for other people in proxy.